Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about an app that I built. It's called BuJo Mode. It's an app to use the uh, bullet journaling method symbols in your everyday journaling on your computer. So I would use these symbols right here, and I have it built. So I built it in a way that I can insert a note, insert a task, completed tasks, migrated tasks, tasks that are scheduled, events, and priority O. And then there's the mood as well. Mood is actually the equal sign itself. So, and we'll see how it's done right now. So the first thing I'll do is open text, edit. Here we go. And I'm going to say a new document. So here it is. So I can do, let's say I want to do let's see. I'll move this over. I'm going to do um, a task. Okay. So I do hyperkey 1, and it gives you a bullet point, and I can say bocce practice at 7 p.m. And here's the key. Usually, if you hit enter, you have to type in the bullet again because it doesn't change it into a list. With this app, you do. So if I hit enter again, it gives me the same symbol to use again. So now I'm using a note. Because that was, or not a note, sorry, a task. So I can write another task and say, let's see, take out the trash. And then I'm gonna, let's say I want to write a note. And I'm gonna do here, because I'm continuing the list, so it's still the same symbol, but if I hit hyperkey and the number 2 again, it changes to a note. And not the number 2 instead of hyperkey number 1. So now it changes to a note. And then I type my note and say, I watched Gifted today. Okay, now, and then I hit enter again, and it gives me the same symbol. But let's say I want to change to a new symbol. And I think, let's see what hyperkey 3 is. Yes, hyperkey 3 is mood, which is what the equal stands for. So let's say I'm feeling happy today. So I'm going to type happy. If I want to type the mood again, I would just hit enter and type in because it gives me the same symbol. Now let's try another symbol. So I would again type hyperkey 4. Now I have to type an event. Here's where I can do bocce at gym. And so on and so on. And same thing with priority. I can do hyperkey 5, and it gives me a migrated task. Let's go. Barkley's gonna move to tomorrow. So, and then I can do hyperkey 6, and that gives me a scheduled task. And I can put whatever I have for the next day. Let's say grocery shopping at 3 p.m. tomorrow. And then once I hit enter, it always gives me the same symbol until I change it. So I'm gonna do a hyperkey. Let's see, what did we try? Tried 6, let's try 7. Now it gives me a priority. So tomorrow, let's say a priority of mine, get gift for my son. And that's how the app works. And this little menu bar tool works in every native Mac app. So it works in notes, in drafts, in any native application. So it does not work in Obsidian, for example. But here's the menu. And here's, I can hit turn BuJo off, and it'll turn the mode off, so then these won't respond the way you have them set up. And I think I have shortcuts. Oh no, the shortcuts menu is not working, but I will get it to work soon. So, and here is the icon for it. So I'm going to say BuJo. And here's the app, BuJo mode. And it's in my application, and apparently it's in my home directory as well, which I don't know why. But I created a icon for it, and I did it all with Claude Code AI. So anyway, let me know if you guys would use something like this. Would you like to have something like this little app? All right. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it helpful. And I'll see you all in the next video.